What's up guys, hey Anthony here at inGear, and as you saw in one of our other videos, we unboxed this Gen 3 Verve electric scooter. I've always wanted an electric scooter, so this one was awesome. We figured it was gonna be awesome, so we didn't just order one, we ordered two. We got the bigger brother coming right up. We're gonna unbox the Verve Pro right now. All right guys, hey, to interrupt this broadcast real quick, just to let you know that we just heard from Gen 3, and right now they are saying that if you type in inGear 250, they will give you $250 off of a scooter on their website right now with a free accessory bundle. So get it while supplies last, because it's a limited time offer. So go and purchase one right now. All right, so right off the bat, this box is way bigger than the first box that came with the original Verve. So this thing is gonna be a beast. Let's take it out. Super easy unboxing. The other one came pretty much put together. We just had to put in 4 screws. Ride with us Instagram. Check out their Instagram page. You'll see us on there. Oh, this thing is massive. It has shocks, oh my gosh. Woo! Shocks, pegs, lucky.
Shocks, pegs, lucky.
I like that.
I'm not too old for that right now. Not too young, I should say.
Not too young. Oh man, they packaged this so nicely. Good job, Gen 3, come on. You know, they packaged up their folding bike that we did nicely too. That thing is just, they make beautiful products. Their colors, their branding, total win. All right, I'm gonna attach this real quick. Boom, get to the screws. Cool. Again, I love how minimal the setup is. Just 4 screws and you're ready to play. I take that back, 6 screws, because you need more, because this scooter is huge. Bigger, badder, faster. I mean, the display is like the size of my hand. This is gonna be epic. Guys, so we got these 6 screws in, but just look how tall this is right now in the box. This is massive. This is like something you'd see in like rentals all over the street. This thing is massive. I'm so pumped to pull it out. Hopefully I'm strong enough to get it out of the box. I am indeed. Wowza. Get out of here, box. Oh my goodness. This thing is huge. Look at these wheels, look at this. Look at the design on the wheels. That's interesting. Huh, wow. Okay. All right guys, so this thing is so cool. Being a one-legged guy, I'll tell you what, when we go out on vacations or anything like that and we have to walk around for the whole day, what I wish I had in my car is an electric foldable scooter so I don't have to walk downtown all over the place all the time. This is exactly what I was hoping it would be. It's amazing. Let me just show you in comparison the size difference real quick. Look at that. They're pretty awesome. This is totally a portable scooter. You could totally carry this with you into work. You know, and I bet you could carry this one in there, but this one is a beast. $499, $699. If you're interested in getting one of these scooters, click on the link below. Gen 3 is awesome. I'm gonna jump on this bad boy and rip it through the neighborhood. All right, so let's see. The display is hardy. This thing, again, comes charged. Thank you, Gen 3. Pet peeve is when you order a bike product or something like that and it doesn't come charged. Let's see, so check out the mode. We got walking, 1, 2, 3, oops. Walking, nah, we're not walking. All right, okay. Whoa, what the heck is this? So the bell, I've never seen this before. It's a twist throttle bell. Oh man, kind of nervous. I'm gonna wait for that car. Wow, it's like the movie Twister over here right now, dang. All right. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow, we totally need to be wearing helmets. This thing is cruising.